Kublai phi baro shka thup Khubor jungi dan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan menta ka singi kilong. Da kamera thong Meghalaya Day in Penlong Haribhoy. Penbena ka ECI ya ke election ha Meghalaya, Nagaland bat Tripura. E Shuki MLA sangut kirangba Makia Sengsan Hima. Ban Satang khandangut ki MLA ka UDP ke dan kamban yo yalam ya ka sarkar ong UPT saw kami. Tementai ne phaj ki Khubor ki bakhambnya. Ka Office District Sports rengkat ber ka Office Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy ken Penlong ya ka marathon bajalan hnyau kilometer ban rakhe ya ka jingdap sanpos nem bapura ka Jylla Meghalaya ha ka arphoi tarik ukala lengkot kaban sedang nasionong dulongnar terter hadu ka indoor stadium lengkedat. Ya kinong job kan thei bat shenrang an ai busket bat memento kat kum karta jo kinong shembenta. Ya kinong shembenta bala herta bat bala temen en le burom hakarukom ka bakham kerpang laong ka Khubor na kinong penyat.
Ngai Kublai snam tmai usuk ifi boro. Nga na kalyang jong district sports office no po. Nga pentip ifi boro ki part nong song shnong jong ka than ribhoy. Khamtam yapi ki ba it ya sport. Kandon ka jingmore marathon kata ngikhat ka Meghalaya Day run haka arpoi tarik menta u benai kelalengkot kaban sedang haka por review step na dulang nor lebai market terter hado indoor stadium lengkedat kandon ru jing ai kusnam yakinong job kentai bachenrang berkumjuru ya urangba badlong keme kiba he do hakarta kino kiba kwa ban shimbenta kila ban one register yaki keteng jongki haka office jong DSO nadu kapor phogje min step hadu sawje janmit shwai ka arpo tarek mentau benai tangini kintin Kublai shibon and all the best.
Ka Election Commission of India ECI kalapan bena ya kitarik banlong election ha Tripura, Meghalaya, bat Nagaland ha ka khatpra tarik ukalalengkot. Kitarik nakabenta ka Meghalaya bat Nagaland ki long hakiju kisngi kat ba kia pher na kisngi election ha Tripura. Ka jing tap vote nakabenta ka Meghalaya bat Nagaland kan long tangshisngi ha ka arpo nyau tarik uremphang arhajar arpulai. Kat ba ha Tripura kipat ba kin tap vote haka khandriu tarik uremphang bat baro lai Jylla nyau haka ar tarik uleber arhajar arphulai. Nakabenta ka Meghalaya kini kitarik bakongsan bat badan kam nakabenta ka election arhajar arphulai kilong kumni harum. Tarik penbena ya ka notification katakan long haka live huwai tarik ukalalengkot arhajar arphulai. Tarik ban tap kerteng filling of nomination nyau tarik uremphang arhajar arphulai. Tarik pej benya iki kerteng scrutiny pra tarik uremphang arhajar arphulai. Tarik weng khaddu iki kerteng withdrawal of candidature shipau tarik uremphang arhajar arphulai. Tarik ban tap vote arpho nyau tarik uremphang arhajar arphulai. Tarik ban nyau iki vote ar tarik ureber arhajar arphulai bat tarik ban pendaplut iki kam election saw tarik uleber arhajar arphulai. Haka khatpra tarik ukalalengkot kumba sangut ki MLA ki IT ya ka shithi e kam jinglong MLA hau office trekam jong shong konor ki indor bar thau an uba met ba lengdo. Kita ki sangut ki kan thop uba PT saw kme uba de MLA joka maulai constituency uba Mirabons aim uba de MLA joka nongpo constituency uba Shillong pale uba de MLA joka sutenga uba Renekton lengdo tongkhar uba de MLA ka mau kerwat constituency bat uba Lambor Malngyang uba de MLA joka nongkrem constituency. Kita ki sangut ki bala e kam latikna bakin net ban penyeso no elade bat ka UDP nakabenta ka election ka banwan. Habakran shikinong thok Khubor uba PT saw keme ulaya thoba ka jing thmu jongki ban rung shaka UDP ka long namarba ka seng reulom kan yo ban yalam no e ka sarkar hakani ka kenti banwan namar ka UDP ka don kam satang khandangut ki MLA ban yo yalam ya ka sarkar.
Kalian juga jong MLA jong bolai konstitusi. Skem khawat jungi dan lang bagini ki parlok jungi sangut. Sangut kalian jungi ki MLA ki sitting MLA. Mata kasih nak kalian jungi sangut ki MLA ngila bu ya kasi resign. So speaker kalong naka party ke panggil hikmat. Dia kebut mata kasih ngila resign. Bat mata kasih hi nak kalian jungi kalong ba ni serung lo amata syaka United Democratic Party dengan skam nak yang jong ka jingrung ke jongi mata syaka UDP skam kan ngai kan apa saja isu mata kan ya ke parti UDP mata ke belum mata UDP ke don nyau panisan kan long khatar dengan skam nak yang jingi kan long ba interest tamu dia khandai kan long lai pui tekumut UDP will lead the government in this year 2023 after the declaration of the dissolve.
Kamamata Banerjee kalayu kejat hakilum garo hakaba palat sanpo hajar tam kipat ba kila priang buram yaka Hamadan Dilma Apal ha mendipathar North Garo Hills District haka kharphra tarik ukalangkot. Haka jingkran hakipat ba hakani kathan Kamamata Banerjee kala khro kipat ba nakilum garo ban phai ki khmat shaka seng All India Trinamool Congress AITC ban kiar nakaseng National People's Party NPP bat kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kiba philayo ki jingtre kam jongki kat chaba phai philayo ki jingbam la jongki ban wanra ya ki jingbentoy shakipat ba ka Jylla kala ong Jit yaka AITC bakinong yalam patki para do para senam jong pi kin sensyar batkin pet yaka baha kamiat jong pi kemba kilong menta la sensyar ki breu bam tip AAP na Delhi bat na Guwahati kalau ong ru ba shipor kinong yalam kaseng BJP kila kenjam ki pat ba ka West Bengal da ka ba ki penting lai phojat hendre ki pat ba ka West Bengal kila bekrat ki lai ulum lai wa penurlong yaka ni ka jingja hangni Meghalaya ru kala kentu.
My back is operated, my belly is operated, my full body is choked, but I never bow down my life to any this type of naughty people or the dirty people. I love politics because politics is not my profession, it is my passion. I thought that I should serve the people through political platform. Nowadays, if there is any fire, we help from the government. If there is any accident, we give help from the government. If there is any death, we give the money to the family. Even you will be happy to know my mothers, sisters, the women folks and the brothers, all even farmers. We give all the farmers 10,000 rupees every year, just free. We give free ration to all the people. It is not only few people. Out of 10 crore people, 9.5 crore people are getting free ration.
Kaseng Hima People's Democratic Front PDF kalapan bena prangut ki kertong ki ban aireng hakani ka election banwan haus nam arajar arpulai. Kini ki kertong ki ban mi madan bakin yakhon na ka constituency kilong uba Gavin Melim MLA President na Sora ba Bantedor Lingdo MLA na mau Kenro ba Aspicious Lingdo na mau Plang ba Shambok Garrett na Raliang ba Roswell Shadap na mau Hati ba Romero Pira Rani na East Shillong Latumkra ba Agent Star Kurkalang na Nongkram baru ba Donboklang Soklat na Umsning constituency. Hakani ka singi lapan ku buramru iki arngut ki MLA ka seng ba Gavin Melim ba Bantedor Lingdo ki balane mlon haka seng ba kim ki jingmut ban pendam yalade haki erlang thari makia seng kumbale ki we.
Begini ki kandidat ki jongi ki badon haulai jong ke jingkerman haka jingkerman bagi yo pengkhet so jong nangit skam lingba kani ke Jylla ke pemerintah kesini ngin sayo benrai Khubor syaki Shillong ki thau ki jongi syaki constituency ki boplan ki jongi bagi ni tu bakumno kani ke jingkendo bakumno bagi lapan benai ki kandidat ki jongi kani ka sin kanong no kabangiyo ban benito officially ka baningkaw ban ini ya ka second list kabang sependi biang namar kadon ka jingong ban kadon ka jingekran ba ka PDF kan nongot kan say kandidat nasyong tang kawai kabau khasi jong Ukraine ni khatir kadang la kabau pen khun suki ya ban sukudi ajuwan dan yang lain ni kum ke parti ni long kum ka imdai ki parti ki ba shu yaya asonya ban dia perkhat nak benta kata jing ya risa ke ba i thamla adu tata ban chere tamasa Henry ke parti ke badan hak nomor ke pasal dena kata ngiyai hak lenti ke bajai ban lenti ke badai bakum do ban ai ke jing syakri ke pasai ban ke bakhur si pai ba no som sino hapo ke Jylla ke jongi
Kakong Magdalene S. Maulong kekertong NPP nanong po konstituensi haka khat praterik kelalengkot kelanang beteng banthe ki kampenroy haka snong puranggang marngar. Kita ki kampenroy ki bakun thup yaka work order. Jaka banta bante yaka jaka thangbreu eco-friendly crematorium jaka saukur crematorium committee ki bakun thup yaka kur binong, damlong, majong, bat pamba. Balamang haka jinglut ka ba sau puar pon Henry puar lak tengka bat kisuki bat duli Godrej syaka snong puranggang pat syaka marngar Sports Association.
Dalam ki bayo thia haka kentien ke jing bamla ka blakan oi thia eki ki bun snem Henry ngasudap da ka jing kemen ka bakrau ya ka ba ngayo banwan yuk jat haka juk por Banwan ra ya kani ka work order na ka bentah ka eco-friendly crematorium. Kumbang itip ngidon la kinyam kiten rai ki paper. Ngidon la kanyam ka rukom, ngidon la ka rukom sut, rukom shore. Kamu kadam ka kanya ka kriam. Tenre ngi snow don bot bangiyo kinong yalam ki jongi. Hantai ki bamdon ka kentin em. Kendiat ngakwa ban pasyat jingmut syapi. Haki benai ki baladep. Lingba ka jingwan kendu jong iba Robertus mahajong ba katim namshim la kelet gipor ngidang itu tang gipat dia itu bah kelong tang iwat isin ba ar balai yo banyak kendu ilapen sngoi ka jing ia bat kumta nakaliang ka jonga namshim la shong thai ngala phone yu DFO ngala phone ru minister in charge of the forest Sir James Kesang ma ya ka bangi yo ban pen sngoi ka jing ia para ka ju ka rukom nga ay ka burom rui para jong ay ba Jason S. Maulong ya ka bangila yo banya merjing mut niyo pat banyak ren na kapor na ka benta ka ni ka kam na marhang tay ha umsning ru ngila yo e ka sanction order na ka benta ka umsning bat kanong po kalong prapusan lak apusan hajar news pa khandai puar ngasgo ban ong ye pi ka burom ya ublay ya ka bau penla pat yang akum kalong kami balik tiat jingkang ngatrai chief minister te habau yo I ye kilong kapa dong to ap shi ap handai kilong kami tu thaj banya bunia mo si senlet si senong sa kani kadai ka ka ba ngila ang nuat aslam kadai ka parti ka bahikai yang I ban buram ye ki beret pat ban ki bahe pat ka parti ban shim salon sarlang ye ka jing I mar kaliang ban buram mar kaliang kekentin em kabangdon hak shimtur ka jongki ngidon kam de kisur ngimdon kam de kisur ki bajam hande ngidon kam de kiktien ki ban kran kam jam ki baro
Chief Electoral Officer ba Frederick R. Kharkongor IAS ulaya thu hakilat pathai Khubor haka khat praterik ukalalengkot baki election code of conduct kan sedang treikam hadien nyau phu ar kenta balami perthei gajing penbena yaki election haka Jylla Ula batai ru ki jinat ki bayadei ber ki kendon ba bonjat ki ban te lakam ki kertong ki sengsan hima kinong kitkam bat ya kinong kershan jongki.
There have been a lot of questions and some confusion as to from which date the model code of conduct will be enforced because the date of notification is January 31st. But as per the rules of the ECI, in terms of the model code of conduct, it will kick in right from the date of announcement. So immediately after the date of once the elections have been duly announced by the Election Commission in New Delhi, the provisions of the model code of conduct will kick in specifically. In what manner it is going to be enforced, I will share with you. So there are different timelines. One standard guideline is that the model code of conduct will be taken to 472 hours during the first 72 hours of the announcement of the election schedule, for ensuring that there is extra vigilance and strict enforcement right up to the close of polls. Now, in what way in what manner this MCC will operate. Number one is on defacement of property. So, as per the instructions of the Commission, there are three types of there are three different categories in terms of the defacement of property. One is defacement of government property. So this the district election officers will have to immediately ensure that that they shall be removed within 24 hours from the announcement of the elections, and we're having a video conference with all the DCs also tomorrow, and we will be sharing with them these provisions. Then also the defacement of public property and misuse of public space, this has to be removed within 48 hours. And defacement of private property, this shall be removed within 72 hours. So there are different timelines for the LCC to be complied with by the district authority. Just to clear the confusion, because maybe they may be thinking that everything should be done within 24 hours, but there are a different set of timelines for each different category.
Pada kitugi Khubor lapoy siya kapakot, tarahado bangin daya siyambiyang Kublay Shibon.